Hello people and welcome back to Code on DashCam channel. In today's episode, you'll watch all sorts of crazy road encounters caught on driver's dashcam. All the clips used in this episode are for educational purposes only and are there to be learned from. Without any further ado, let's get this episode started. In our first video, we have an indecisive driver who thought that it would be a great idea to stop on the exit ramp. We have a crazy driver here who doesn't pay attention at the road markings at all. He moved left from a right turn lane and he nearly clipped a driver that was in front of the camera.
Very beautiful, That's how we know that's how we'll know when you win the lottery is when we never hear from you again. You just disappear into thin air one day. I'll text. But I'm not like.
Whatever you do, please try to be more patient and considerate at the traffic lights. Don't run a red light and expose yourself and others at risk. It's not worth it. Believe it or not, but this driver was too lazy to clean his windshield from all the snow, and he drove around not seeing properly. Pay close attention at the drivers in front. A biker is about to turn into the camera's frame and something shocking is about to happen. Watch. With this clip we conclude another epic and entertaining episode on Caught on DashCam channel. I hope you guys enjoy watching and learning something from all these mistakes. If you support this type of content, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button as well. Also, make sure to click the bell button to stay up to date with the latest content. Thank you for all your support, and until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe.